Well, whether you're using this toolless Ryobi tool or one of those where you actually need an Allen key, it doesn't matter. It's more or less the same thing. So first of all, you need to know that the Ryobi multi-tools, they come with this accessory thing, which is labeled R and F on one side and D on the other. The manual doesn't say it. The Ryobi manuals are rubbish. Ryobi, please sort it out. You don't need it. It's only useful when you have some other accessories that are not from Ryobi. They have different mountings here, so you will then use this thing. So put it aside, stash it away, and then it's very simple. So you, in this case, so you open this up, or if you need an Allen key, you just use an Allen key, then unscrew this. Now you don't need to unscrew it completely, especially when you have those with the cutouts here. When you have a closed design, then yeah, you need to unscrew completely, and then you should be able to slide it in very easily. And actually you can put it at a different angle as well, depending on your use. Normally you would put it straight like this. Make sure that you align it in some kind of an intelligent way. If you're not sure, look in the manual, then just screw it in a little bit, not too tight. So this one, not too tight, more or less like this. And I think the manual says to align it this way, kind of across. And then it's very easy. You just gently pull that thing and push it forward like that. And that's it, it's done. It's working. And with the other devices, you might need an Allen key to tighten it up. So this one is obviously better. You don't need an Allen key, and it's very strong. With the Allen key, you need to really make sure that it's fairly tight, but obviously not too tight so you don't break it. So basically that's it. And then you pull it this way again, and again you can pull it out. Sometimes it is a bit tight and you might loosen it a bit. But it's fairly straightforward. So that's how it's done with Ryobi multi-tools. Okay, and by the way, this one is cool. I recommend you spend more money by this one, simply because it's got this toolless thing, and also you can regulate the angle at which you can apply the tool, which might be useful in many situations. The drawback of this one is that it doesn't have a light anywhere on it. So if extra light is important to you because you are in some dark places, in cupboards, etc., then you might buy another one. But if you don't need that light, you can use, or you're happy with use another light, then really spend more money, buy this one, seriously, even if you just do a bit of DIY. Yeah, links below. Thanks a lot. Take care.